Guys, if your van doesn't start, it's just cranking, will be the crank position sensor. So the crank position sensor, I never see any good video where it's located, but it's right here. Come on. So right over there, see that? I already unplugged the socket. This is the engine, right? Let's go deep right there. You see that? Yeah, that one there. I already unplugged the socket. It's just being held by a 10mm bolt right there. So when you replace that, I got the new sensor here, right here, and here's the part number. It's cheap fix for $40. All right. See ya.